C# is here. During my second devlog, I created a map, and although I like it, my character seems extremely bland. This devlog is going to be focusing on sprites, animations, and other stuff. In my game, I wanted my first character to be a knight, but it turned out awful, and I had no clue how I was going to make one look good in my art style, while also having a balanced hitbox system. After my failure, I took inspiration from aforementioned games like Rounds, Bobble Battles, blah 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 blah. Those games have simple character models that are rounded and therefore easy to make hitboxes for and animate. After brainstorming my own ideas, I came up with the idea of having my character as a ghost. I quickly came across another issue though. Since ghosts were usually opaque, or at least a white, it may be hard to see players in my game. To fix this, I was going to make a non-spirit helmet that signified each player's class. And since my first character was a knight, I quickly put together a sprite, which is a 2D image that I can use in games. I would also have to make many variations of this sprite so I can animate the character's movements. And I didn't like my second attempt, so I altered it so it looked a little better. After that, I turned the sprites I just made into a sprite sheet, which is just all of them combined, which is what you needed to animate. As you can see, I have the sprite, but right now, it's kind of tweaking. Could this be because A, it's sentient and wants to be freed, or B, it's just a bug? That's right, the answer is C. I have no idea what I'm doing. After I made the sprite sheet, I went into Unity's animator and started making set animations. After a few hours though, it looked horrible, horrendous, grotesque even. I had to try again. I learned how to code. This seems obvious, seeing I made this project so far. Do you know what that means? It won't help me with animating. After hours, my character looked horrible. I don't even want to animate anymore. This means I give up. The video's over. Goodbye. I'm not animating anymore. It's evil. I'm deleting all my sprites. Okay, I know I said I won't animate anymore, but that only applies to my character. I just finished a sword and swing animation. Does it look good? No. Will I change it? Later. But for now, it's gonna help for my hitboxes in my next video. Hey, a defeated and tired C# is here. I gave up on animating my character, but that doesn't mean I've given up on my game. If you want to support me, the best thing you can do is subscribe. And hey, maybe you can send me a sprite sheet. Anyways, sorry for such a lackluster video. See you later.